Wow. Look at this fully automated bending machine, right?
Yeah.
Very impressive. And what kind of materials you can bend, and what is the maximum size?
Yeah.
The operation looks very smooth.
This area is our bending machine area. We have 10 cc Mandrel bending machine. We can bending the aluminum and stainless steel, also titanium.
Right.
Our most from small size to larger size. The mass size we can make is about 4.5 inch.
Wow.
The worker is processed now. He's bending the iron take now.
Right. I can see very, very smooth the operation.
The machine can make the bends.
Continue.
Continue bending. So
there's no wrinkles.
Yeah, we can make the intake system, the exhaust system by the machine bending the thickness type.
So what kind of materials you can bend on this?
The stainless steel and the titanium.
I can see it's very smooth,
Yeah, the bending machine is also very basic. Keep bending. The bending is not fast. It's not slowly.
Fast.
Sometimes the one exhaust, one full kit exhaust have over 10 bends. So after bending, we need the robot cutting machine to cut two sides. Just need leave the correct length. The machine is automatic running.